Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel motivenglish. And today I am going to start my speaking practice because this is my day first of 7-day challenge, and I have chosen a very important topic, that is whether grammar is important or not to speak in this language. Many people who think that yes, grammar is important. On the other hand, many people think that no, grammar is not so important. So what I am thinking on this, in my opinion, of course, grammar has importance. I mean, grammar is important, but not the first requirement to speak in this language. We see many people who are not good at English, good at grammar, but still they can speak English very well, and they can express themselves very well. So it doesn't mean that if you don't know the grammar, then you are not able to speak English. But it also doesn't mean that if we know the grammar, then we are able to speak in this language. Because I have observed in my life, grammar helps you to reduce your mistake. It helps you to make and form the sentences, but it not help you to speak out. If you want to speak, then definitely you have to do practice, speaking practice. Without speaking practice, you are not able to speak a single word. So you have to speaking practice. You have to do speaking practice. The second thing that I have realized, speaking is must. Along with that, listening is also important. So listening is something that helps you to understand the language. So if you listen a lot of things, if you consumed English content, then definitely it will help you. So because in my case, I did not do so much speaking practice, but I listen a lot. I listen motivational speaker, I listen conversational videos, and I think it helped me to speak in this language. I'm not saying that I am good at this language, I am very fluent in this language. No, I am still in the phase of learning, I am still learning this language. But at least I can speak English, at least I can express my thought. And these things happen because of listening portion. So I should start my journey from the listening. As I told you, I did not do so much practice of speaking, but now I am doing this. But earlier I did not do that. So earlier I mean I have been listening for a long period, and still I am listening so many things in English. So this is very important in my opinion. Grammar important, but not the first requirement, I would say. So if you have just started your journey, if you are beginner, then I would recommend you should not start your journey from the grammar portion. You should start your journey from the listening portion. Listening helps you to understand and to form the sentences, to make the sentences. And when you listen, then you can observe how they speak, how they behave while speaking. So it will help you to improve your communication, your body gesture as well. So definitely it will help you in different perspective. So listening is very important. You can start your journey from the listening portion. First of all, you have to listen as much as you can. Listening will help you to improve your English, your understanding. So you can start your journey from the listening portion. Once you are able to speak in this language, once you are able to um, express your thought, then you can go with the grammar, because of course grammar is important. When we know the grammar, when we know the some basic rules of grammar, of course it will reduce our mistakes. So when we are in this journey initial phase, then of course we make a lot of mistake. And definitely, because we are learning this language and we are trying to build our habit to speak in this language, so definitely we will make mistake. But the main thing is When we make mistake, then definitely we are learning something new. So listening is important. The second thing is speaking is very important. After listening, you have to speak aloud.